In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix "you can't make this change at the moment" Facebook two-factor authentication. If you're encountering the "you can't make this change at the moment" error while trying to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook, here are steps you can follow to resolve the issue. First thing that you can do is to close Facebook-related apps. Close all Facebook-related apps on your device. This includes the Facebook app itself and any other apps that might be connected to your Facebook account. The second thing that you can do is to use Instagram for 2FA. Open Instagram and go to the account center in settings and privacy. Add your Facebook account to the account center and link it with your Instagram account. In the account center, navigate to security changes and select Facebook. Make the desired changes without encountering the error message and check your Facebook app to see if the changes have been applied. The third thing that you can do is to use third-party authentication app. Consider using a third-party authentication app for 2FA on Facebook. Install the app on the device you normally use to access Facebook. Follow the steps to set up 2FA using the authentication app. And the last option that you have is to restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve issues. Restart your phone and check if you receive any 2FA codes from Facebook. Remember, this step should help you overcome the error and enable two-factor authentication. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.